this world, use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby.